Hey, what's up, good people? AMC, this battle is crazy right now. Man, so much going on. I just wanted to stop in and say this is crazy. A lot of people are asking, where should you sell? And I'm going to tell you right now, I quadrupled down. I'm not selling. Call me an ape. I'm with the movement. And I will be honest with you, I want to sell so bad right now. But the more people that buy and hold right now, the better, the more this stock is going to go up. The institutions are losing millions of dollars. But the other end of that is every minute there's a new millionaire being made. There are literally millionaires being made today. I mean, it pushed past 45. Then it went to 50. Then it went to 60. Let's look at this. Let's look at this live chart here. It went up to, it actually hit 72.32, and now it's starting to do a pullback. That's no problem. Right now, as I'm filming this, we're at $61. It's going to continue to run, and these valleys and hills are nothing compared to where it is. I mean, it's going to blow well past $100 if you buy and hold. The name of this game is buy and hold. So I'm not selling. Just like I said yesterday, I'm a part of the movement. Hey, I actually made a video about this in January. So I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I just reiterated yesterday, and I have some AMC that I bought last year for a post-COVID play. All right, good people. All you got to do is just Google it. You'll see my videos that pop up. But I'm with this movement every minute. By the time this video is out, literally new regular people like you and I are becoming millionaires. Every time it hits another price point, these people are becoming millionaires. And these are not hedge funds that are used to getting this money. It is average people like you and I. Hey, do me a favor, subscribe. Hit the like button, and hit all. So hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit all for you so you can get all of these notifications. There's a lot of guys like Trace Trades out there. I mean, he's amped up on something, but he's been doing a great, as far as AMC, this is like the only stock he's been covering, but he's been keeping everybody live and up to date on what's going on in real time. I mean, it's crazy. Look at it. Let's look at it right now. It just moved down a little bit more, 59, 58, but every day it keeps hitting new highs. And the only way to do this is to buy and hold. The CEO is part of the movement. He's using ape memes. Check this short video out.
But the CEO of AMC, Adam Aron, is one of the most interesting characters in this entire drama because unlike other players in this, he's gone all in onto the Wall Street Bets community. You have to remember back at the beginning of May at their earnings call, he made the point that almost 80% of their outstanding shares are owned by 3.2 million investors. Not only did he make that point, he said, they own AMC. We work for them. I work for them. He's not backing away from this. He is leaning into this entire community. And it's an interesting thing because maybe from a consumer marketing standpoint, you have 3 million loyal brand advocates right now that maybe would not have gone to a movie before, who now will be lining up because they're very passionate.
And so there's also a report that came out yesterday. An institution bought a lot of shares. Look at this. They bought a lot of shares and then turned around and sold it and made a profit. So, I mean, this movement is real. It's happening. And whether you like it or not, whether it's dangerous or not, and remember, good people, I'm all about taking profits. I always tell you, you should take profits. But on here, it's too early in the game to be thinking about profits. And then if you're going to do profits, be smart and do a trailing stop loss. It was so much volume that they halted trading on AMC today. It literally, quote unquote, broke the system. So they halted it for a while. That's normal when you have this much volume. OK, and for those of you that are new, there's going to be some new millionaires being made. Like I said, I'm sorry, my phone is making noises. But I want you guys to, I just wanted to stop in and say, let's hold. Look at it. It's coming back now. See here? It's coming back. Went down to 57, back up to 62, back down to 58, back up to 62. And so it's going to be that. It's going to do that. And then it might, it's going to hit back up to 72 again. It will. When is it going to hit to 72, Larry? I don't know. But I know one thing. If it breaks past 72, we're going to hit $100. If this stock breaks past $72, we're going to hit $100 probably by before this week is out. And the battle has yet to begun at this point. It's crazy. Now, let me talk about FOMO for a minute, good people. Fear of missing out. It's, if you buy it right now, make sure it's money that you can afford to lose. This stock could fall back down to $15 in a second. And I have to let you know about the risk. So this is not get rich overnight, though there are new millionaires being made every minute right now. And a lot of them are millennials, and a lot of them are people my age. They're making life-changing money right now. And there's a scripture, I always say that the wealth of the wicked is stored for the just. For those of you that are not Bible readers or Bible believers, this is that scripture in real life. The wealth of the wicked is stored up for the just. And we're the people, now the just people are getting their due rewards for our due diligence, right? So I'm going to continue to hold. And I'm not telling you, take all your money and get in this. But I'm just saying I'm with the movement and we need to straighten this out. The SEC needs to do something about all these ghost shares and all of this stuff. It's unfair to you and I that these institutions have that much power. OK, and right now, some of these institutions are sweating bullets because they are losing billions of dollars. Right. They're losing billions of dollars. And that money is being shifted to the average Joe like you and I. And I'm looking at this and I'm not going to lie. I'm like, I made some great money over the last 24 hours. Great money because I quadrupled down. But I'm holding, good people. You hold on too. Just hold on and hold out. The end is going to be what it's going to be. To me, it's about the principle of the fact. And hey, if you don't stand for something, you will fall for anything. So I'm standing on this. And that's just me. I don't want to overhype it. I don't want you pulling money out of your other portfolios and putting money into this. It needs to be money that you can afford to lose. And if you have AMC at this point, right now at this point, I'm going to do something. I'm going to just tell you, hold. Let's hold. Let's hold strong. All right. I'm holding. Because let's look at it now. See, now it's finding a new floor around 62. Let's see where it is. Let's see where let's get it back up. Let's get it back up to 72. All right. Let's get it back up to 72. So it's got an upward moving going, and you can see all the buying and selling going down here. It's it's a battle, good people. And it's about time we had a little excitement in the market, in the stock market. All the excitement shifted over to crypto, but it gets boring when you're beat down every day. But then when you see something like this, man, it's something to go, a little excitement for me. So I am excited about it. And hey, I don't play sports and all of this. This is what I do. So this is like watching a football game. These are like the playoffs right now. So, hey, I just came in to say buy and hold. Just buy and hold. Look at it. It's working its way back up now. It's working its way back up. It did this a few days ago. It went up, came down when it was in the like $24 mark, $25 mark, dropped down to 23 and then popped back up to 27. Then it hit 30. So now we're here in the mid 60s, right? And by the time you see this, it's working its way up. We could get back up to the 70s before the day ends, right? And so we need to break. I think we need to break this. We need to break over 64, let's say $65. We need to break over this resistance and then get a new tier going up. But let's hold on. And let's get it back up let's push it to 75. That's what we need. We need to push this to 75. We need to get it over the $72 mark. We need to close at 75. But if it closes over the $72 mark to me and hold there for a while, it's going to $100. It's going to push the momentum. More you guys are learning about it and you're sharing it with your friends and they're buying and holding. The goal is just to hold, good people. That's what we're going to do. I just wanted to stop in with that, good people. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm not even going to talk about the links. We'll talk to you guys later. All right. Peace.